Good afternoon, students. So, electric potential and capacitance. Electric potential is completed. So, one of the most important one capacitance, electrical capacitance. What is called capacitance and what is called capacitor? What is the principle of capacitor and parallel plate capacitors? The combination of capacitors, series combination, parallel combination. So the storage energy of capacitors. So these are learning in this lesson. So one of the important for JEE. Okay. So capacitor. What is called capacitance? So let us take one isolated conductor. At instant charge on that conductor, charge Q is directly proportional to the potential difference of conductor. Okay, so let us consider one isolated conductor. The charge is at instant charge on that conductor Q is directly proportional to the potential difference on that conductor. So Q is directly proportional to V. So Q is a charge on a particular conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference of that conductor. So Q proportion V, or Q is equal to, when we are removing proportionality, introducing one constant, that is called C, CV. Here C is equal to Q by V. C is called capacitance of conductor. Capacitance of conductor or capacitance of capacitor. Capacitance of capacitor. So capacitance is the ratio of charge to the potential of that conductor is called as a capacitance. C is equal to Q by V. The ratio of charge to the charge and potential is called capacitance. So capacitor is a device stored the charge. Which device is stored the energy, that is called as capacitor. The capability of capacitor is known as capacitance. The capacitance is denoted by C. C is equal to Q by V. So the capacitance measured in farads. Farad. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. 1 coulomb for 1 volt. Farad is a big unit. We are using farad, microfarads, 1 microfarad, and picofarads, and we are using millifarads. So micro means 10 power minus 6 farads, picofarad means 10 power minus 12 farads, milli means 10 power minus 3 farads. Generally we are using a microfarad, the capacitance unit we are using microfarads and picofarads and millifarads. Microfarad is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 farads, and picofarad is equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 farads. Millifarad is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 farads. So 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb for 1 volt. So here the capacitance is the capacitance of the capacitor. The capacitor is a device to store the energy. So the charge on conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference of the conductor. So Q is proportional to V. When we are increasing the charge is directly proportional to the potential. C is equal to Q by V. Based on this equation, what we can conclude that C is equal to Q by V. So V increases, what happened? The capacitance decreases. So while decreasing the capacitance, what happened? Decreasing the potential of the conductor, we are increasing the capacitance of the capacitor. So when reducing the potential, increasing the capacitance, increasing capacitance. So this is the principle of capacitor. The principle of capacitance is based on this. We know that C is equal to here Q by V. What is the principle of capacitance? So let us consider, take one conductor. That conductor capacitance increases with decreasing the potential difference. When decreasing the potential difference, what happened? Increasing the capacitance of that conductor. This is called as the principle of capacitance. Okay. So let us consider one metallic conductor A. So the positive charge is located on that conductor. So this is a one isolated conductor. The positive charge is located in that conductor. Both positive charge are located in this conductor. So another metallic plate B is taking nearby the conductor A. Due to the induced effect, what happened? The negative charge is located on the surface of the B metal. Negative charge is located on surface B metal, and positive charge is induced other side of the other side of the conductor B. So what happened? So the negative charge is decreasing, the negative charge attracted by the positive charge. Due to this reason, the potential difference between A and B plates are decreases. Potential difference is decreases. At the same time, the positive charge try to increase. Positive charge try to increase the potential of conductor A. Okay, you got it. So where due to the metallic conductor A, the positive charge induced a negative charge opposite. Negative charge is induced on metallic plate B. So either side positive charge is induced. So these negative charge is attracted by the positive charge. Due to this reason, the potential difference is decreases. So the negative charge decrease the potential difference between two plates, and the positive charge is increasing the potential difference between two plates. Okay. So now next we are connecting the positive charge is connected to the ground. What happened? It is isolated. Positive charge is totally isolated. Only the negative charge is located on the plate B. So that negative charge reducing the potential difference between these two places. When we are reducing the potential difference, what happened? We are adding some amount of charge on plate A, conductor A. So decreasing the potential by using negative charge. The negative charge is attract the positive charge, decreasing the potential difference between these two A and B plates. But then the potential decreases. We are adding some amount of charge on metal plate A. Okay. So reducing the potential, adding some amount of charge on plate A. So this is the method for increasing the capacitance of a conductor. So this is called as the principle of capacitance. Principle of capacitance. The capacitance is depend on size of the conductor, okay, shape of the conductor, and also depend on permittivity of free space and permittivity of medium. Okay. So the capacitance is depend on the size of the conductor and shape of the conductor and the permittivity of the medium of both two places and medium or free space. So depend on. Okay. So this is called the principle of capacitance. What is called principle of capacitance? According to principle of capacitance, the capacitance increases by decreasing the potential between two plates. So that is called as the principle of capacitance. When we are decreasing the potential difference, we are adding some amount of charge on that conductor. So this is called as principle of capacitance. Thank you.